Guys, ito babanding kami ni Joshua kasi holiday ngayon. Eid Mubarak to all our Muslim brothers here in UAE. Yan, father and son banding. Look at the camera na. Say hi. Wow. Yan. Kami lang dalawa kaya ikot-ikot kami dito sa mall. Yan talaga. Ayan. Doon kami order sa Ayan. What's the name of that one? Sorry. Belly stick. Crackers. Ayun. Ayan po. Eid Mubarak to all our Muslim brothers here in UAE. Peace. Subway. Ang dami. Lots of people.